Hey, today we're checking into the Vdara. Vdara is a no smoking, no casino hotel. However, it's owned by MGM, so your MGM rewards and comps are good here. And we found that our MGM rewards go a little bit farther here than they do in a lot of other places.
So we're at the Vice Versa bar.
Just got checked in.
We got checked into the Vdara. We're in a Fountain View Penthouse Suite. We're just waiting for our room. We're a little early. So we got a free drink.
Check-in was actually fun.
Yeah,
what was his name?
Vincent. Vincent is the best front desk clerk ever. We love Vincent. I put a picture of him up here. Got water, got free drink coupons, got dried apricots, got cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah. It was very fun. These drinks are good.
Vdara is only a few steps away from all the hustle and bustle on the strip, but it is far enough away to be very quiet and peaceful. There's a lot of things to like about this one-bedroom penthouse suite, but the thing I like best is how this view lines up the Bellagio fountains, the Link High Roller, the Spere, and a Las Vegas sunset, all in a row. But there's plenty more to love about this one-bedroom penthouse. It's got a huge living area with 50-inch TV and a very comfortable queen-size pull-out sofa bed with plenty of comfortable places to sit and enjoy this amazing view through these giant windows. This suite also has a full-size kitchen with a sink, a dishwasher, a microwave with granite countertops, a cooktop, and it comes with a Keurig. Mindy packed one of her favorite Keurig coffee flavors. As usual, I brought my coffee press for my favorite coffee. And what an amazing place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee. Now back to the kitchen. It has a mini fridge and a full-size fridge. And if you feel like cooking or reheating leftovers, all you have to do is call down to the front desk and they'll bring you up a cooking package. Pots, pans, utensils, everything you need. There's plenty of room to enjoy those leftovers with a good-sized dining area and a 4-top dining table. Oh, and look, a fan of our channel brought us a bowl of fruit.
A fan? Tell them that was hotel staff delivering our complimentary fruit bowl.
She seemed like she could have been a fan. You can pack lighter knowing that you have a washer and dryer, so don't forget to pack your pods. Also near the front door is a very nice guest bathroom. In a good-sized bedroom, you have a king-size bed with a pillow-top mattress, some very comfortable linens, another large TV set, some more big windows with great views. You have a tablet beside the bed with too many controls for me to mention them all, but you can use it to order room service, request spa or salon appointments, and a lot more. From the bedroom, you have a very large spa-style bathroom with a soaking tub, a separate walk-in shower, a double sink vanity with backlit mirrors, you have a closet with a safe, ironing board, and plush robes and slippers. Now, if you decide you can pull yourself away from that view and you want to go gamble, they've completed the new very convenient indoor walkway that connects Vdara, Cosmopolitan, and the Bellagio. As always, thank you for watching, and please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback.